Hi everyone, this is Karthika, Faculty of Physics, working in SNS College of Technology. So in this session, I am going to explain about the business model canvas for Tata Motors. So the business model canvas for Tata Motors that illustrates how the company operates as a global automotive leaders, balancing mass market vehicles in India with high margin luxury brands internationally. So following its 2025 demergers, the company functions through two focused listed entities, commercial vehicles and passenger vehicles, including Jaguar Land Rover. So here we can see some value propositions, that is full range mobility. So it offers a diverse portfolio from mass market hatchbacks and SUVs to heavy duty trucks, buses and defense vehicles. And if we see electric mobility leadership, it holds 70% India's passenger EV market with dedicated platforms like TPEM. Next we can see luxury and performance. So it provides British luxury and premium engineering through Jaguar Land Rover, and total cost of ownership, it focuses on fuel efficiency, safety ratings and then competitive pricing for commercial and passenger segments. So next we can see the customer segments. So retail buyers. So here it middle class families and first time car buyers seeking affordable and safe vehicles. So this is the best for one. So luxury enthusiasts here, the high net worth individuals globally through the JLR brand, and commercial clients, it logistic companies, SMEs and fleet operators like Ola, Uber focused on uptime and payload. So next we can see the government and defense, public sector agencies for transit buses and specialized defense mobility. So we can see some key activities too, that is manufacturing and assembly. Here they have a high volume production across globally, 50 plants is there, and R&D in engineering, designing modular platforms for ICE and EV and software defined vehicles architectures, sales and marketing. So here they can managing global brandings, dealership networks and digital sales platforms too. After sales, they have a excellence for providing maintenance, spare parts and telemated fleet supports too. Next we can see key resources too, that is physical infrastructure. 50 manufacturing plants is there and 10 and R&D centers are there in globally, and intellectual property, it over 12,300 global patents spanning engine efficiency and battery management. And human capital, here they have 80,000 employees including specialized engineers and designers, and financial liquidity, that is cash reserves of rupees 55,000 crore to fund large scale capex and R&D purposes. Next we can see key partnerships too. So the Tata Group's synergies, the collaboration with Tata Power of EV charging and Tata Steel for raw materials, and the strategic alliance battery supply with Agratas and tech partnerships for ADAS and connected features, and then distribution networks, nearly over 6,000 global leaders and service outlet across 80 plus countries they are having. So next we can see the customer relationships. So here we have the personalized service, digital engagement and then fleet support. In personalized service, concurrence and the bespoke programs for Jaguar Land Rover customers, and digital engagement on we can book in online, visual showrooms is there, and the Tata Motor service connect apps too. And in fleet support, they are dedicated accounts team and real time uptime monitoring for a commercial clients. And now we can see about the channels for the Tata Motors, that is the dealership showrooms. So primarily physical touch points for demos, test drives and financing, and online sales platform is too there. That is digital first journeys allowing customers to configure and buy fully online. Next we can see about the EV discovery centers, that is specialized hubs to educate buyers on electric mobility. And then we can see the cost structures. So in cost structure, the first one is manufacturing and materials. So the raw materials like steel and lithium and plant operations form the largest cost for the manufacturing. So for R&D investment, it significantly annually spend nearly 10,500 crore in financial year 2025 for electrification and technology. And SG&A, that is global marketing, sales incentives and the distribution logistics comes under these cost structure too. So how they are generating the revenue, they are having some streams, that is vehicle sales. So they have the core income from mass market PV, CVs and high margin luxury Jaguar Land Rover models. And after sales, they are recurring revenue from spare parts, service contracts and then the extended warranties. And then financial services, that is they have the interest and fees from the Tata Motors Finance Corporation. And then digital subscription, so emerging income from connected car features and telematics. So this is the business model canvas for the Tata Motors. So it explains the many features of the Tata Motors. Thank you.